Have you ever stopped to think about what lies behind a bottle of Coca-Cola? That perfect blend of sweetness and freshness, accompanied by a sparkling effervescence, makes every sip a unique and irresistible experience for many. In fact, as you watch this video, you might already feel the urge to crack open a cold can. But have you ever wondered how this iconic beverage is actually made? Every bottle of Coca-Cola is the result of a process that could completely change the way you see it. The company has kept both its recipe and its production method absolutely secret, which has led to countless myths and speculations. From rumors about its enigmatic formula to theories about certain additives that might make us addicted to its unmistakable flavor. But how much of this is true? Step 1. Water, the soul of the beverage. Although it may seem like a common component, water is actually the heart of the drink. But we're not talking about ordinary water. To ensure purity and quality, it undergoes a rigorous purification process. This process begins with the selection of carefully chosen local water sources, such as deep wells, natural springs, or municipal systems, depending on the plant's location. It's not just about extracting water. It's about ensuring that every drop is ready to receive the flavors that will define the beverage. The first step in treating the water is coarse filtration, which removes physical impurities like sediments and sand. Then it passes through an activated carbon filter, a key component that eliminates unwanted odors and flavors, ensuring that the water is completely neutral in taste. Next, it is subjected to an advanced reverse osmosis process, a filtration technology that removes more than 99% of the remaining impurities such as minerals, salts, and microorganisms, guaranteeing that the water is absolutely pure. After that, the water undergoes a precise mineral adjustment, preparing it to perfectly combine with the other ingredients and achieve the refreshing experience we all know. With this perfect water base, Coca-Cola is ready to receive the elements that will transform it into the iconic beverage. Step 2. The secret formula. Coca-Cola's secret formula has been one of the best-kept mysteries in the industry. For more than a century, it has fueled all kinds of rumors and theories. However, what we do know is that the recipe is not a simple mixture of ingredients, but a formula that defines the essence of Coca-Cola. Although the exact details remain secret, scientists and experts have managed to decipher many of its components. The main ingredients of this formula include purified water, sugar, or sweeteners, depending on the region, caramel coloring for that characteristic color, phosphoric acid to balance the sweetness with a touch of acidity, caffeine for that energetic boost, natural flavors, and decaffeinated coca leaf extract. It is important to note that the coca leaf extract used has been carefully processed to remove any psychoactive substances. This extract does not contain cocaine, but it does contribute to Coca-Cola's unique flavor, adding a characteristic touch that makes it distinct from other soft drinks. Step 3. Creating the syrup. With the ingredients ready, it's time to combine all the components in enormous special tanks. This is when the magic really begins, as the mixture transforms into the base syrup of Coca-Cola. Ingredients like sugar, either cane sugar or high fructose corn syrup depending on the region, caramel coloring, and natural flavorings are mixed to perfection. Precision is key in this step. Every ingredient is carefully measured and added in exact amounts to ensure that Coca-Cola's distinctive flavor remains consistent in every batch. Specialized technicians supervise the process to guarantee that the proportions of sugar, coloring, and flavorings are correct. This attention to detail is what ensures that the base syrup has the exact taste consumers expect. Sugar, whether it's cane sugar or high fructose corn syrup, is the primary ingredient that provides Coca-Cola's characteristic sweetness. Caramel coloring is added to give it that iconic dark hue we all recognize. The natural flavorings, whose exact recipe is a closely guarded secret, are what contribute the unmistakable taste to the drink. These ingredients are blended perfectly in the special tanks, where they are stirred and heated at controlled temperatures to ensure complete and homogeneous dissolution. This syrup is what defines the unmistakable flavor of Coca-Cola, crafted with meticulous precision to guarantee that the balance between the sweetness of the sugar and the acidity of the phosphoric acid is exactly what we seek. It is this balance that makes Coca-Cola so addictive. The taste is refreshing and, at the same time, leaves a sensation that makes you crave more with every sip. The process of creating the syrup is a blend of art and science, where each step is carried out with precision and care to ensure that Coca-Cola maintains its unique flavor in every bottle and can. Thus, from the mixing tanks to the final product, the creation of the syrup is an essential component in producing one of the most iconic beverages in the world. Step 4. The magic of fizz. One of Coca-Cola's distinctive hallmarks is its effervescence. The carbonation process is what gives rise to the bubbles that make the drink so refreshing. At this stage, the syrup is mixed with purified water and injected with carbon dioxide at high pressure, a process performed at low temperatures to ensure that the gas dissolves perfectly into the liquid. Carbonation is a meticulous process that requires precision and control. The base syrup is blended with purified water, an essential part of maintaining Coca-Cola's clean and fresh taste. This water goes through a rigorous purification process to eliminate any impurities and ensure that it meets Coca-Cola's quality standards. Once the syrup and water are combined, the mixture is cooled to low temperatures, generally around 0 to 4 degrees Celsius. This cooling stage is crucial because it allows the carbon dioxide to dissolve more easily in the liquid. It is then injected at high pressure into the syrup-water mixture, creating the characteristic effervescent bubbles. These bubbles are not just a visual feature. They are an integral part of the sensory experience we all enjoy when drinking a cold Coca-Cola. The presence of bubbles adds an element of freshness and vitality to the drink, making every sip a pleasurable experience. Additionally, the bubbles help release the syrup's aromas, intensifying Coca-Cola's characteristic flavor and scent. Step 5. Packaging and sealing. With the Coca-Cola perfectly carbonated, it's time to package it in bottles, cans, or glass containers. This process takes place on production lines equipped with cutting-edge technology capable of filling thousands of bottles per minute. Despite the speed of the process, each bottle must be filled and sealed precisely to maintain the beverage's freshness and carbonation until it is opened. Packaging also involves a meticulous labeling process. The labels featuring Coca-Cola's iconic design are applied with precision, ensuring that every product has a perfect and uniform appearance. Once sealed, the bottles are packaged and prepared for distribution. Step 6. Quality control and distribution. To ensure that every bottle of Coca-Cola, no matter where you are in the world, has the same taste, rigorous quality controls are carried out. Levels of carbonation, sweetness, and acidity are verified, and a team of expert tasters conducts tests to ensure that the flavor remains consistent. Nothing is left to chance, and any batch that does not meet the standards is discarded, ensuring that only the best reaches the consumers. Once quality control is approved, Coca-Cola begins its journey to consumers. Thanks to an efficient global distribution system, the beverage reaches more than 200 countries, from major cities to the most remote areas of the planet. This ensures that Coca-Cola maintains its freshness and quality throughout its journey. Step 7. The experience and consumption. Finally, we arrive at the moment we all look forward to, enjoying Coca-Cola. But it's not just the taste that makes this drink special. It's also the experience it offers. Coca-Cola is best enjoyed at its ideal temperature, when the carbonation bursts in your mouth and perfectly complements the sweet and tangy flavor. And if you have it with ice, that sensation is amplified, turning each sip into a refreshing experience. Although it is a delicious and refreshing drink, it is important to remember that its consumption should be moderate due to its high levels of sugar and calories. However, for many, enjoying a Coca-Cola every now and then remains one of life's simple pleasures. By learning all the details about the production process of Coca-Cola, from water purification to global distribution, you might appreciate even more the hard work behind that bottle the next time you take a sip. The secret formula, the perfect carbonation, and rigorous quality control ensure that each bottle is a refreshing and unique experience. Will you continue to enjoy it the same way? Or will you become more conscious of your consumption? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.